This is my most worn watch, Vaer C5 Tactical Solar. It's simple, durable, and I can easily see why it's one of their best-selling models. Inspired by military history while still carrying Vaer's own distinct modern aesthetic, its style design is modeled after the classic A11 field watch worn by American servicemen during World War II, featuring bold Arabic numerals for the hours and subtle 24-hour and 60-minute markings along the inner and outer tracks and date window. The C5 comes in at 40mm across with a 48mm lug-to-lug and a slim 10.4mm case thickness. The case has a fully rounded ergonomic shape that makes it extremely comfortable on the wrist, so it's perfect for active activities like surfing or hiking. Vaer clearly designed his watch with the extended outdoor use in mind. It's slim, lightweight, and easy to forget you're even wearing it, yet it still managed to pack in 10 atmosphere of water resistance. The case itself weighs just 64 grams, so it feels solid without ever feeling cumbersome. For reference, my wrist is 6 3/4 inches, and I was honestly a little bit concerned that the 48mm lug-to-lug might wear too large, but it fits perfectly. Because of the thin 10.4mm case height and the way the lug curves down, it actually wears smaller than the number suggests. It's one of those rare sizes that feels balanced, big enough to have wrist presence, but slim enough to disappear when you're on the move. It's a great all-around size that should fit almost anyone comfortably without feeling top-heavy. The case is made from 316L stainless steel, the same materials used in high-end watches, so super resistant to corrosion and rust. The finish is a clean, all-black matte texture with PVD coating that doesn't draw too much attention but still looks sharp up close. The watch also features a single dome sapphire crystal with an anti-reflective coating, which means it's going to stay clear and scratch-free over time. You don't have to baby it. Sapphire is one of the hardest materials you can put in a watch, so hold up well in rough conditions. With 100 meters of water resistance, the C5 can easily handle swimming, surfing, and recreational diving, but just make sure the screw-down crown is secured before getting it wet. Once locked, you're good to go. One of my favorite features of this watch is its solar power movement. I've always found battery changes to be a huge pain. Removing the case back, tracking down the right battery, risking scratches, it's annoying. But with the C5 Tactical Field, you never have to worry about any of that. It uses the Epson VS22 quartz movement developed by the Seiko group, so you already know it's gonna be reliable. What makes this movement so convenient is it practically charges from any light source. Give it 6 hours of sunlight and it'll be fully charged for up to 6 months of use. You don't even need sunlight. Indoor lights, desk lamp, and even candlelight will keep it running. It's also super accurate, -10 plus 20 seconds per month, which is far better than most watches. Vaer didn't skip on Lume either. The dial on hand features 25 layers of X1 grade W20 Super Luminova, which is 60% brighter than standard Lume after 2 hours. Something that sets Vaer apart from other watches in this price range is the fact that the C5 is assembled in the United States. The final assembly and quality control are done domestically, which adds a layer of accountability and attention to detail that you don't always get with outsourced production. Vaer is the largest independent watch assembler in the United States. They even proudly printed on their dial. Out of the box, the C5 comes with an FKM rubber strap, which is a big step up from standard silicone. FKM is soft, flexible, and extremely resistant to heat, chemicals, and salt water. It's built to last and is comfortable straight away. No long break-in periods needed. Vaer also lets you choose a second strap. You can go with a NATO, a leather strap, or a steel bracelet. I opted for that single pass nylon in black to finish off that all-black look. The single pass strap is made from durable, waterproof nylon built to handle everything, from ocean swims to daily wear. At 20mm wide, it offers a slim, balanced fit that complements this field watch. The strap threads securely under the case, added protection in case a spring bar fails, and is finished with a brushed 316L stainless steel buckle that's both corrosion resistant and true to Vaer's rugged aesthetic. Here are some of my favorite outfits to style with the C5. I like to pair this with my selvedge Japanese denim for a textured, durable look. My favorite heavyweight white tee from Flint & Tinder for a clean, classic base, and a wax trucker jacket from Flint & Tinder to add weather resistance and a timeless, outdoorsy finish. The combination keeps things simple but intentional, letting the watch design shine while creating a cohesive, casual outfit that works for everyday wear or light outdoor adventures. I also love styling field watches with the workwear inspired aesthetic. For this, I'll reach for my double knee work pants and a heavyweight hoodie for comfort and practicality. Layering a denim jacket on top adds texture and structure while enhancing the rugged utilitarian vibe that matches the C5 perfectly. The beauty of the C5 is how effortlessly it adapts. If used at home in casual, rugged, or workwear inspired outfits, making it one of the most versatile watches I own. After wearing the C5 for a couple of weeks, it's clear that this watch is built for everyday wear. It's incredibly lightweight and comfortable. Overall, it's one of the most well-rounded field watches that you can get for under $500. It blends a vintage military design with modern materials, a reliable solar power movement, strong lume, and plenty of versatile strap options. Whether you're a long-time watch enthusiast or just want that one dependable watch that can handle everyday wear, travel, and outdoor adventures, I can't recommend the C5 enough. Click my link in the description to check out their collection. I promise that you won't be disappointed. Let me know in the comments what you think of the C5 Tactical Field, and thanks for watching.